Hi guys, it's Stephanie from WTI, and today I wanted to show you my new best friend. Yes, you heard that right. This is the Braun No Touch 3-in-1 thermometer. My kids had been sick for what it seems like forever, and this is the one thing that I've been using daily. I like that it's a no touch. My kids are very sensitive when it comes to their ears, so getting a thermometer that has to be touching their ears, it was a no-go for them, and this is perfect. I like that you can also check the temperature of the water. If your kids are taking a bath and you want to see the temperature, you can use it. The little thermometer on the front, get it close to your face and in between your eyebrows, and you can see I'm not touching, and it read my temperature right away. I also like that on the side it has a button so you can mute it, especially when your kids are sleeping and you don't want to disturb them with the little noise that it makes when you click it. This is perfect because you just change it and it is not going to make any sounds, but it's still going to show you everything in here. So I like that when it's green, that means that you have no fever. If it's yellow, your fever is between 99.6 and 101.3. And then if you have a high fever, it'll be red and it'll be from 101.3 and higher. So that's really easy to know if your kid has a really bad fever or if they're normal. I love this product. It's really easy to use. And if you're a mom, you really need to get this. It's gonna save a lot of headache. Taking temperature on little kids is a hassle, and I know this is gonna be perfect for you. I really like it. I'm sure you're gonna love it, but that is just my point of view.